Petersburg, Indiana, the Bone Yard Binder, Ken Campbell. All right, here for the International 766. Stage has got a new heart. Yes, a few years ago, Gary was having some severe heart issues, and the only way that we were going to be able to keep him around, we had to do a little slopperoo. So yes, so Gary Sage has got a new heart. So folks, you can't take him with you. If you are not an organ donor, please consider signing the back of your license, driver's license. All right, 2 distances in the books. Bill points, he's our leader. Oliver, 1855, 293, and 14. The engine put together by Suits Farm Garage, Jeff Suits and Evan Suits. All right, the ground, the shaker number 2. Sounds like it may have slipped out of gear. Unfortunately, he was past that 100-foot mark when it happened. So that is where Christine Flemings is going to have to measure the laser. (1972) Oliver, 1755. Number 1 from Atwood. All right, help him out, folks. Ted Romine, our final competitor in our 6850 Pro Farm.
What's that? I don't think so. Well, definitely not like that.
Well, each competitor has 2 opportunities to move that weight transfer device beyond the 100-foot mark. That was his first opportunity right there. We are going to pull him back to the line. For hook number 2. If I'm a betting man, I would say he had a pretty tall gear. He picked a pretty proud gear right there.
Well, it doesn't feel that
You're going to have to get those RPMs cranked up and slowly walk that clutch out. All right, let's go green one last time on our 6850 Pro Farm. Oh! We've got a deer in the lead. Here we go. The mistress, Darren Doring, Windsor, Illinois. County Fair. calibrated buck. Kurt Deckner. Their final competitor, 11,000-pound profile, the Fountain Creek Street. Brian Biscuit, 50 in Illinois. He will be our option puller. Two-time defending points champion in this class. Arthur, Illinois. The Pro Pulling League event. We had about 17 or 18 4-1s there that night. He was our Saturday night winner. Let's see what he can do here in Arthur, Ryland, Helbig, Oakdale, Illinois, and pocket change. Wasn't sure if he was going to try to cross-track it. Oh yeah, we're going to be picking up that leader flag. Yeah, good to back out of it. A lot of smoke coming out from underneath the side shields and the hood. We're going to need a pull-off tractor, please. Need a pull-off for Wayne. There, section underneath the announcer stand. All right, he comes to us from Litchfield, Illinois. The Minneapolis Moline G1000 Vista. David Justison, wheat fed, and our 10,000-pound throw stocks. As he comes down the track, look at those pipes on the side, out of the side shields. Watch them turn cherry red. Do we have any Travis Coon Trailblazer fans here tonight? Woo! Needs to go in excess of 318 and change to take the lead. From right here in Arthur, Illinois, Travis Coons, the Massey Ferguson Trailblazer.